Hello, Danielle here to present my color sketchbook. Early September, when the class started, our first project was to make a color wheel. This is an example of one that you can buy online. It has been very helpful showing different color schemes. This is a digital sketch. I did it on Photoshop to help me look at the colors in the color wheel. Our second project was 4 grids with the main hues on top, then showing the tints, tones, and shades of each hue. This is a digital version of my painting. Our third project was polychrome collages. For one of the collages I did, I threw together some shapes on Photoshop to show an idea for a carnival using the scattered radial composition. Our fourth project was to make value scales. This is a digital sketch reference that I made that replicates the black and white value scale with the shades of gray in between. The next digital reference I made shows black with red and then white and all the shades in between, the same with blue and also green. Project 5 was to make value collages. This is a digital sketch I did of one of my collages for the project. Here is another digital sketch I did for one other value collage. Project 7 was to make complementary collages. This is a copy of my sketchbook drawing with a digital overlay of my ideas for the collages. The first one has orange and blue, the next one has yellow, green, and red-violet. This is another picture of my collages without the overlay. Project 8 was to make saturation scales. Here is a digital copy of what blue and orange look like mixed with each other, little by little adding more until the other color is 100% the opposite color. Again, I did it with yellow, red, and blue, slowly fading it to mid-gray. Project 9 was to make a painting with a color scheme and show low and high keys. Here is a sketch from my sketchbook with a digital overlay of the painting I chose. The color scheme I used for my painting was yellow, orange, blue-violet, and blue-green. Here is another example of a potential painting. This one shows how it would look with high keys and low keys. Project 10 was 2 as 1 and 1 as 2. This is a digital copy that I made on Procreate, showing how two colors can be one when placed next to different colors. This Procreate design I made to show how one color can look like two when placed next to different colors. This is an example of how orange and green can look totally different when placed next to yellow or blue. Project 11 was called Color Effect, Color Choice. I had 3 different ideas, but I decided to choose this painting I found online and sketched it out. This is a picture of my sketch with digital overlays showing the 3 different color schemes. For our last project, the ideal landscape, I chose to use this landscape of the desert. My 2 color schemes I chose was red, blue, and yellow, and red-violet, blue-green, and orange-yellow. Well, this is the end of my presentation. It has been a pleasure being in this class and to be able to create fun paintings and collages. It is very useful to have the references we've made. I can see myself using them in the future. Thank you.